Welcome back! How are you? I'm still doing it. It's almost the end of the day. As you can tell, the sun's really bright. So I'm gonna get up on the scaffolding and you get to watch me go swaying. Don't look down. You wanna see something really fun? The bolts they sent me don't fit. So there's nothing holding those rails on. There's nothing holding those rails on. They're just there to seriously just let me know that where the edges are. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I didn't die yet. Ouch. Oh, that's smart. You know, these Carhartt pants, they put the, some of these pockets are in really bad spots. Yep, I am having a lovely day. Man, it's like George Lucas. I gotta cover up that Fujitsu. Let's see. Oh, good. So I got the towel up here. Alright, so let me do that real quick. Maybe move this over. It's like a magic trick. So, that's what I was talking about. The Fujitsu. See if I can cover this up without falling off this whole line over here. Tell you what, that was the best buy that I kept on this year. One, it is a backup heat if anything happens to the boiler downstairs, which, as you know, if you've been watching this, we had issues where it was like 50 degrees 47 degrees in the house all last winter. couldn't get anybody to come out. Well, we could have, but then we'd had to turn the entire house's heat off completely and the boiler for a week. And let's just say you can't live without hot water here. It was hard enough taking showers with no heat than to take a shower with no hot water. So these are independent for each room, so I can actually turn, if somebody, let's say somebody comes over and they don't like the radiant heat, that it's too warm, and they want to set it, I can actually turn it off, actually in this room, no, that bedroom. The other bedroom has little knobs. I can turn all 4 knobs off, because I don't know where to go. They didn't mark them. So I can turn them all off, and then you can just use that. Now in the summer, that air condition, oh my, yeah, it made this house go from the worst camping experience ever to the first night I was running there in the other bedroom on the other side of the house. It was like I was in a completely different world. So, all right, let's see if I can do this without getting hurt or making a total mess. Here, 1 moment. Lamp clock. It's gonna see what happens. Anyways, I think I'm done for the night. You guys have a wonderful day. Man, you can actually see. You can see it getting dark. So, man, that's really dark. I'll see you guys next time on Cheaper Than Rent.